This is I'm going to give you her genuine reaction.
Oh my god.
This is known as the box of slime. It's the
Oh my god!
It's the premium box.
Oh my gosh! So, when you open it, it just says their Instagram. Does IG mean Instagram, right?
Yeah.
And then it has their email. Oh, aw. Comes with this little cute snowman. So this is the Christmas pack. Oh, it comes with this marshmallow blowmaster, which that's really cool. My favorite type of candy, 6 slits. And then it has like these snowman fluffs. And then it has some borax. They wrote on it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay. Then it has like some tips. And it has like the types of slime it has. And I'll tell you guys when I get to them. And then... And it said... And it has like this really cute snowman thing inside. And it says, remember, being unique is just being cool with who you are. I'm so excited. Okay, I'm trying to figure out which one This is literally the slime I've always wanted. So I don't... This is... I'm pretty sure this is...
On the bottom.
On the bottom.
Sugar cookie.
You want to open it up and
Yeah, I'm excited. Like,
Okay.
you do not even know.
I'm gonna get some more.
Oh, it's cute little sprinkles at the top. Oh my gosh. I'm trying to get it out of the container. Oh my gosh, smell it.
what's it smell like?
Icing.
It smells so
Like
good.
my favorite type. Smell. It literally smells so good.
Smells and feels like actual icing.
Oh yeah.
Smell your hands.
Sticky.
No, it's not.
All right.
Okay, so I'm not going to get it all out.
We'll look at more of that.
So, this is
Okay.
what
That's what's in the box, honey. You gotta go over what you got. Oh, but the breakdown.
So this sugar cookie slime is cloud slime, and it's scented like cookies, and it contains fake sprinkles, is what it says. And it's a really good slime. It's really stretchy, and I like it. It smells like icing.
All right. Go to your next one.
So, also it comes with this yo-yo, I think it is. This next slime is the Ugly Sweater Slime. And this contains Dazo slime. It's Dazo slime. It's scented like winter, and it contains charm, glitter, and fun stuff.
You gotta excuse the dog. She just opened her Loot Pet box and she's in heaven. How's that smell like?
Ooh, it smells good too. It smells like a Scentsy. I think it like has its like surprise one. I have no idea.
There's something in there. What's in it?
It's like,
Sequins or something?
I don't know. It contains weird stuff, I guess it said. Okay, I'm not gonna get all of it out.
Charm and glitter.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure, but it has like things. Anyway, this is what the Ugly Sweater one looks like. It's a bit sticky, but it's really good, and it smells so good.
So it smells like winter is what it says.
Yeah, it smells like even people like sent those things. So, yeah, I like it.
Oh.
Doesn't it smell good? Oh my gosh.
It does smell good.
I mean,
Also-
to the person that made this, it's probably sticky also because it contains that stuff in it, so it's okay. Next is the Candy Shop slime. Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
Candy Shop, and it has that little thing at the bottom. Okay. Well, that's cool. Oh, it has the foam beads. Oh my gosh. Yes, Becky. I love this one. Oh my gosh. Woo! That smells good. So it has like these foam balls in it. Like it's kind of like foam, but not at the same time. It smells good.
Smells good.
And it's really kind of stretchy.
Smell. I like the feel of
See
it.
those foam beads? Like it's really good. I love this so much. Oh my
I don't think
gosh.
it smells bad.
I don't think it smells bad. It's just not me.
It smells like
Pina
icing.
colada a little bit.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
A little bit of pina colada. That one's like.
Okay. So that's it for that one. Next is this hot chocolate one.
I already showed that.
Oh, okay. This hot chocolate one contains, it's thick slime and it's scented like hot chocolate and it contains marshmallows. It doesn't really smell like hot chocolate, but that's okay. Kind of, you know. You have to think about it. It's been in the container a while. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's so cool. Stretchy. This one's not really that sticky. It's just thick, so it all comes out a lot at a time. And I like this one. This one's really good. I don't know if it's real marshmallows. I have no idea.
I'll look it up for you.
And it says it contains it, but it might be.
Contains marshmallows.
So I think it might be real. This one's really cool. And I love these. It kind of does. It kind of smells like the Hershey syrup, but doesn't like really smell like it though.
Oh no! It tastes. It smells. It smells kind of like hot
And it pops.
chocolate, and it's kind of sweet, and it's just a little.
Yeah.
I need the box.
This is like really, really good. And I love this one.
Marshmallow. Or it's a marshmallow.
So,
Oh, with the marshmallows. Okay.
No problem.
so
No problem.
So, I'll show you all the slimes I got. These are, I think, 5 ounces. I have no idea. So, these are the slimes I got. Contains, I think it came with the borax because it's kind of sticky when you get it. Okay, so, here's the borax and stuff, and it's so cute.
This. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
That was a baby pop.
Anyway,
with an important notice, do not eat the slime.
Everybody eats it up. Don't eat the
don't eat the slime, guys.
It's a shame you gotta put that on.
All right, Paige,
So,
what'd you
Okay.
think of it?
I definitely think these slimes are really good. I'm going to give them an 8 out of 10 because they were like really good and they're cute. It's just kind of they're sticky a little bit. I'm pretty sure that's why it came with the borax. But overall, it's really good slimes and I like it.